Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer money from your PayPal account in 2025. With the latest updates, PayPal has made this process even faster and more secure, so whether you're sending money to a friend or moving it to your bank, you'll be a pro in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you have the most up-to-date PayPal app or website. In 2025, PayPal has rolled out enhanced security features like biometric login, think fingerprint or facial recognition, to keep your account safe. Once you're logged in, head straight to the Wallet or Balance section. This is your hub for managing funds. Next, look for the Transfer Money option. You'll see choices like Transfer to Bank Account or Send to another PayPal user. If your bank isn't linked yet, don't worry. The 2025 update includes a quick QR code scan feature to link it instantly. Select your destination, enter the amount you want to transfer, and add any necessary details like the recipient's email or account number. Before you hit confirm, take a second to review everything. PayPal might show you any transaction fees, which could have changed in 2025 due to new policies for faster transfers. Once you're good, confirm the transfer, and you're all set. Funds often arrive in minutes now, thanks to improved processing speeds. One quick tip: always double-check for scams and use strong passwords. If you run into any issues, PayPal's 24/7 support is just a click away. There you have it. Transferring money from PayPal in 2025 is straightforward and secure. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more money management tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.